Retributive justice is a theory or philosophy surrounding punishment and can be seen all over history. One famous example is the Code of Hammurabi. The king of Babylonian was Hammurabi, who reigned from 1792 to 1750 BC. He ruled in Mesopotamia, which is now present-day Iraq. After ruling for some time, Hammurabi decided to start expanding his kingdom and saw the need to unite the various groups under his power. In order for this to work, he needed a universal set of laws to keep everyone in check. The list consisted of 282 laws or rules which were carved into a stone. This was later found in 1901 by Jacques de Morgan. I don't know if I'm pronouncing his name right. These 282 laws did not treat everyone equally, but it oversaw family matters, farming, assault, and more. The Code of Hammurabi required victims/accusers to bring the accused into the court by themselves. The code relied heavily on punishment, and if a victim did not have evidence of the crime, then they were punished. The most common known law is the paraphrased an eye for an eye. If someone's eye of a high class was destroyed, then the person's who did it was destroyed. They wanted the punishment to be proportionate to the crime. But it is uncertain when retributive justice was first used, but it recurred throughout many religions, including the Bible and Quran. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right either. For many centuries, it was believed by some that retributive and restorative justices coexisted. King Henry I of England introduced retribution law when he shifted the focus off the victims and redefined the offenses against the government. The British government used this up until around the 1970s. But what is retributive justice? As explained in this quote, retributive justice is a response to criminal behavior that focuses on the punishment of lawbreakers and the compensation of victims. In general, the severity of the punishment is proportionate to the seriousness of the crime. In other words, instead of focusing the attention about victims, retributive justice focuses on punishment that is morally deserved. Retributive justice requires both actus rea, which translates to a guilty act, and mens rea, which translates to a guilty state of mind. Both of these must be presented before punishment can be given. Because of this, retributive justice does not punish those deemed insane or intellectually disabled because they are unable to be responsible for their actions. Retributive justice can still be seen today and is normally incorporated with other justices like rehabilitation or restoration in justice systems. Retributive justice is mainly seen in Western cultures, and it is not in full use like it was in Mesopotamia or England because it is incorporated with other types of justices.